What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Ray Kisses, if you must, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so this video is not a full tutorial. This video is you just seeing what I tried to accomplish and that I failed. And it's okay because I'm gonna do it again. And when I do it again, it's gonna be an actual tutorial of how I fixed it, all the rights and wrongs. For those who are beginning to sew and get discouraged, don't get discouraged. All right, so I don't create with patterns for the most part. I usually just do it how I see it, or if I need help, I'll look at something on YouTube for that. So I made this pattern of my pleats, and I'm like, oh snap, I already know this skirt is about to be lit. I'm hyped. I already did good. So I started to measure everything out. Now, for some reason, I didn't realize you had to have math in this. I'm not good at math, but I had to have some math in this. And I was just like, oh snap, let me look at a video to figure out how to make the correct amount of pleats for the skirt to fit all around my body. So I looked at this lady's video right here, and boom, I figured out how to do it. And it came out pretty decent, but it also came out wrong because I didn't have enough fabric and I had to continue on a new fabric. Anyway, moving on. So when it came down to making these straight lines, you had to basically make a straight line down the pleat where you wanted it to stop, so that way it could flare out at the bottom. I'm like, boom, it's lit. I'm doing good. Freeze frame, nope, because look, it wasn't all the same size, but it's fine because the side that I had in the back was the side that had the shorter pleats, and it was able to make my little booty poke, so I was hype about that. The zipper, I did it good the first time. The second time, not the first time around. Sorry about that. So for this band part, I knew how to make a band because it's basically the same concept of when I was making my mask. Go watch my mask video if you didn't see that. Anyway, so I didn't fully know how to do a different one that I was thinking of doing. So I looked up a video and I found this young lady's videos. I love her videos. And she showed me how to do it in a different method, which I'll show in my full video, but that's what I did. At first, it didn't come out correctly because I didn't do it straight across in a straight line, but I ended up fixing it and it got better. Not the best, but it got better. So next, I wanted to design my own shirt. So I drew out, look at this cute little drawing right here. I drew out what I wanted to do, and I was supposed to have exposed color zippers, but that did not happen because I cut it too short and too small. So anyway, I cut out the pattern in the shape that I wanted. I knew I wanted like a halter backless top. Well, kind of like a bandeau because I didn't want a halter strap, but that's what I ended up doing because I messed up. So this is the pattern, and now we're about to basically do some Bob the Builder building. So we're about to build this top, and all you gotta do is, boom. This part I did pretty good. Just the corners were very hard for me, so that part looked a little, but I did pretty good with sewing and hemming the top down. I was very proud of that. Now, the straps, like I told you, it came in later because I couldn't hold the top up. Probably because I didn't do any darts and stuff like that. But anyway, the next part is the grommet part. I'll show that fully in the full video. This was definitely the second most easiest part of the whole thing. And boom, I made the outfit. It turned out pretty decent. Like, I wouldn't wear it anywhere, but to have like a sample to show somebody for, like, you know, when I do start to sell my clothes, to be like, hey, can you make this for me? I did pretty well, so we'll see how that goes in the future. All right, y'all, so thank you guys for watching my video, and let me know what color you want me to do when I do this for real, and I do it and it looks great. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.